Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Our topic today, it's all about even numbers. What is even numbers? Even numbers. A number when divided by 2 gives another whole number. Example: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Even numbers are all the numbers that are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Here are the example of even numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98,100. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel by like, follow and subscribe. It's All About tutorial by Neneng for more learnings.